Kurugurio gwa Ceceni no gukite thutha wa President RUTO ucemania na arũgamĩrĩri nene a rũrenda rwa Amazon bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika mũciĩ-inĩ wa New York ciumia hĩtũku. RUTO akiuga rĩu bũrũri wa Kenya nĩguo bũrũri wa kerĩ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Africa gũkorwo na ceceni ya Amazon ĩrĩa ĩkũhũthĩka gwetha kĩhonia kĩa maũndũ matiganĩte.
Throughout Kenya, every sector, community and all levels of government, the transformative potential of digital technology has been experienced by ordinary people, thanks to the possibilities unlocked through AWS in developing solutions and bringing opportunities closer.
Oho mũtongoria wa bũrũri no akinyereirie atĩ gĩkĩ nĩ kĩonereria bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũhotete gwĩthondekera rĩtwa sekta-inĩ ya mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu.
This launch marks the beginning of the opportunity that this center will present to young Kenyan engineers who are interested in starting their career in technology. For these young engineers, both men and women, it is an opportunity to learn, gain work experience, and work side by side with our global engineers.
I believe this new development center, which is the second in Africa, will play a major role in growing Kenya's digital sector and more so the city of Nairobi.
Amazon has chosen Kenya as the base from which to extend its global and African footprint, which affirms our country as an attractive global investment destination, recognizes our progress in consolidating Kenya's global and continental leadership in the field of information and communication technology, and endorses our national digital transformation agenda.
Omwe wa maria President augite thirikari yake ĩgwĩkĩrĩra makĩria nĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ gĩthomo, akiuga ĩno nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgucĩrĩria aigithia kuma honge itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
We make the whole education infrastructure democratic and make it possible for many of our students to get quality education. It is the reason why we have doubled our budget both for TVET education and for university education. And we will continue, I want to commit that we will continue to invest in our human capital so that companies like Amazon can continue to get the best.
President auma hamwe na governor wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja, baruthi wa Amerika gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Meg Whitman, oro hamwe na arũgamĩrĩri a motungata ma Amazon.
Right investment like Amazon's will take advantage of our continent's natural resource wealth and green energy potential to lead the world in greening opportunities, growth, and prosperity, and thus guarantee a sustainable future for both us and humanity.
We believe that our partnership will help us achieve these ambitions. We don't take it for granted that you chose Nairobi. You could have chosen any other part of the continent. Thank you for being in Nairobi.
Those of you who don't know, I grew up with Amazon. I remember when I became the CEO of eBay, we looked up one day and said, if we could ever be like Amazon, that would be amazing. And I want to tell you, Amazon is one of the most important technology companies in Silicon Valley. It's one of the most important technology companies in the world. And the fact that they have chosen to put the development center for AWS in Nairobi speaks volumes about Kenya, speaks volumes about Nairobi, and speaks volumes about this administration.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.